is recording. Okay, let's see. Before starting the Microsoft Azure AI, let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Sekhar. Having 15 more years of experience on Microsoft technologies, currently I'm working as a Azure architect in AI. Okay, yeah, next. Now, before going for Microsoft Azure AI, just I want to let you know something about present IT infrastructure. Okay, what is the current IT infrastructure? Simply, we can say it is the what is the IT infrastructure? It is collection of hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer is called IT infrastructure. Right. So, to maintain entire IT infrastructure in our on-premises, okay, there are many challenges, right? So, what is the IT infrastructure? It is collection of what? Hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer is called IT infrastructure. If you observe this slide, here we have n number of devices are communicated to one switch. Okay, then other devices are communicating to router, firewall, network, database, hardware system, server rack. Okay, to maintain entire this IT infrastructure for on-premises, we need what is that? Data center. Okay, to manage the data center, it is not a small task, right? We have to spend a lot of time, lot of budget, right? So due to that, entire IT industry looking towards cloud, cloud, cloud. See how the data is transforming. Okay, so data is transforming from on-premises to cloud. On top of on-premises to cloud, okay, AI came into the picture to automate the services, right? That is the process, right? Yeah, next. Now, as I said, there are many challenges are there to maintain our own data center, right? So what are the challenges? So this is the exact picture of data center, right? Now, to maintain our own data center, we have to spend lot of time, lot of budget. Okay, you know, right? To establish one data center for on-premises, it is not a small task. We have to purchase the land, we have to design data center, we have to purchase the hardware devices, okay, and the design as per rules and regulations. And to maintain our own data center, we have to spend lot of time, lot of budget. Okay, what are the other challenges are there? First thing, we need to spend AC, okay, power bill, right? Next, another thing is we have to design, we have to purchase the land, first thing. Okay, to purchase the land itself, we have to spend lot of budget, right? Next, AC, power. If there is no power, what will happen? We should be able to run the data center with generator or battery system. That is again the cost. Okay, assume that my data center is there in New York. I am sitting in Hyderabad. To access these services and all, again, that is what we need: high speed internet. That is again cost. Okay, apart from that, to maintain our data center, our own infrastructure, we have to spend lot of time, lot of budget. Okay, lot of time in the sense, for example, I would like to build 5 servers. What should we do? We have to send a request to data center team. Once they rack this data, then we have to allocate this system into developers. Okay, then we have to install OS, configure the networking, and install and configure the monitoring tools. Next, configure the firewalls, configure the what is that, network configuration settings, backup and restore operations. Finally, we will hand out these servers to application team. So here we have to manage Windows team, networking team, monitoring team, and firewall team. Okay, load balancer team. To maintain these many teams, again, that is the cost. Because of all these reasons, entire IT industry moved to cloud. Okay, here we can say, what is the cloud? Cloud is nothing but collection of remote services, and access them over the internet is called cloud. Very simple definition. What is the cloud? Cloud is nothing but collection of remote services, and access them over the internet is called cloud. See how the client cost is reducing. See, in on-premises, we need many teams like Windows, networking, firewall, load balancer, monitoring, okay, update manager, I mean patching update team, everyone is required. Now when you are coming to the cloud, nothing is required. One resource is enough to provision the infrastructure. See how cost they are saving, right? Yeah, next, in when you are coming to the cloud, totally we have three types of cloud deployment models. One is as, PaaS, SaaS. Okay, here as in a sense infrastructure as a services. What is that? Infrastructure as a services. Here, infrastructure as a services in a sense, server, storage, network, load balancer, all of them we can create within span of a minute. It won't take more than a minute. That is what infrastructure as a services. So once we have provisioned the server, on top of it, we have to take care about installation, configuration, management, deployment, everything. That is our responsibility. When you go for PaaS, right? PaaS in a sense, platform as a services. Here, you need not worry about the installation, configuration, management. Everything would be taken care by Microsoft. Okay, everything would be taken care by Microsoft in a sense, especially all Azure AI services comes under PaaS phase. Okay, here you need not worry about server creation, load balancer, patching activity, maintenance of the server. Everything would be taken care by Microsoft. Just you have to take care about your application. That's it. That is about what? PaaS. Okay, SaaS in a sense, as you know that already, M365 entire suite comes under what is that? SaaS, software as a services. You know, right? Outlook, MS Teams. Okay, Outlook, MS Teams, Windows, sorry, Microsoft Word, Excel, PPT, okay, and M365, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, SharePoint, OneDrive. Okay, these all comes under what? Software as a services. Simply we can say M365 suite comes under software as a services. Clear, Rajan?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, next. So why should I go for AI? You know, right? See how data is transferring. Earlier, data was there on top of on-premises data center. Now, entire data sitting on top of cloud data centers. On top of data is sitting on top of cloud data centers. Then what we can do with that data? If data simply is there, huge amount of the data, then we can manipulate it, right? So what kind of manipulation we can do on top of the data? So where exactly AI came into the picture? You know, right? Every day, massive amount of data is generating in the market. Okay, individually or industrial purpose. Okay, in the industries, what they are generating massive amount of data. Individually, they are also generating massive amount of data. For example, consider me. Every day, I will forward the reels, watching the what is that movies, and sharing the important content into my colleagues and friends, taking the snapshots, okay, writing an email, sending the text messages in the WhatsApp. See, that is the data, right? Am I right? That is the data. So assume that per day, I am itself, worst case, I am generating what? 1 GB data. Okay, where this data is storing in cloud computing. There is that in data storing in cloud computing. So if data is storing in cloud computing, there we can go and manipulate it. So what are the challenges? What are the challenges we are facing today? How AI helps? What are the challenges we are facing? Labor cost, guys. Labor shortage. For example, you know, right? In all industries, there is a labor shortage due to cost cutting and all. If you go for any bank, there is a resource shortage. If you want, you can go and ask any banking sector. So people will say there is no much employees, it is taking delay and all. They will tell about same thing. Am I right? So what are the challenges are faced today by industries? See, labor shortage, too much data. You know, right? As I said, individual itself, we are generating 1 GB of data. If you go for industries, just to see how much massive amount of data they are generating. Clear, Rajan?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
Sekhar.
Next. Now, high customer expectations. You know, right? Customer nowadays, their expectation is very high. They are looking for quality, quick response, everything. And you should secure our data from cyber security threats. Okay,
Yeah,
operational influences are again, it is very cost. See, cloud came into the picture to reduce the cost only for clients. Am I right? Again, AI coming to the picture on top of cloud, again to reduce the bit cost. Right. Next, regular complaints are there. Now, where exactly AI will help us for what? Industries. How AI will help? See, in place of labor shortage, AI robots. AI robots automation fill workspace gap, especially in manufacturing logistics, guys. You might have heard that, right? Uh, Copilot with GitHub, they are generating 60% of code. Am I right? To develop same kind of code for our developers required at least 1 or 2 months. Am I right? So in place of that, they are what? Reducing the cost. Okay, too much data means if there is a too much data to analyze for manually and to take the decision to make predictions, it will take a lot of time. So see, AI analyze large data set quickly, insight pattern and predictions. Got it. For example, I want to analyze the data. Assume that go for Tata company, Tata cars, Tata Motors. Okay. Assume that I have 30 years data. To analyze 30 years data for human, it will take long time. Am I right? To provide the insight, to make predictions, it will take long time. If you apply AI here, see, to AI analyze the large set of what is that? Quickly on insight patterns and predictions. Okay, high customer expectation. You know, right? Now business at your doorstep. Am I right? For example, if you would like to purchase one car, then car company or showroom itself, they are taking one test drive car into your home. Am I right? They are
Yeah.
hand out to you, then you can test the drive car, right? Now same AI chatbots and personalization engine provide 24 by 7 support and tolerize the experiences. So you know, right, AI keep on learning every day. Okay, AI learns from the data every second, I can say. Am I right? How we are
Yeah.
upgrading our skills weekly, monthly, yearly basis, right? So here AI learning from every minute from the data. Okay, cyber threats. AI detects and responds the threats in real time using patterns. You know, right? If you go for social media, uh, so old videos also it will trending. Old videos also it is trending. Am I right? So there is a war. Those war videos they will launch now, and they are trolling. So they are like what is that? I can say old videos. Again, they are releasing, people watching, generating amount and all, right? In between, there is a fake videos also there. So to optimize fake videos, okay, to make security for user data, AI will help us. See, AI detects and responds threat in real time using pattern recognition. Next, operational excellence. Okay, operational inefficiencies. AI optimize supply and chain production. What is that? Energy uses. Okay, so this is operational influences how it is satisfied. Next, regulatory complaints. You know, right? Nowadays, every day, some companies they are reporting about complaints because the data is threatened by what is that? Cyber threats, people's under. You know, right? Recently, you might have news that around 64 lakhs users password uh, stolen by some company. Okay, Meta, Facebook, and all. Right? Have you heard about it?
Yeah.
Just 2 days back, it's happened. Next,
Yeah.
yeah, AI helps monitor and report complaints more accurately. So these all challenges are faced by what is that? Industries. Okay, how AI helps here. Next, now individuals, what are the individuals they are facing? See guys, job insecurity. So fear about being replaced, outdated. Still we are working on outdated technology. Okay, AI will create new roles and help people upskills and personal learning platforms. Next, information overload. You know, right? Information, there is a too much data and fake news are spreading. Okay, so AI will filter and summarize and recommend quality of content. Okay, AI full-fledged not implemented in media sector and social media. If they implemented, no fake videos will be disappear automatically. Why? Because it will gather the information for publicly available data, that is government what is that, provided accuracy data. According to that, it will generate the data. Clear? Next, mental health stress. This is what? High pressure burnout. AI is based mental wellness apps provided 24 by 7. Nowadays, you know, right? People are working for 24 by 7 night shift and all. Okay, because if you go for customer support, 24 by 7 they are taking the calls and helping to customers to increase the productivity. So in place of that, exactly 24/7, that is a well-being support. Wellness, what is that? Implement wellness, security, and it is a problematic, right? So where exactly chatbots came into the picture and satisfying our what is that? Recommended insights they are providing. Am I right? Chatbots are playing crucial role nowadays. Next, limited access services. See, healthcare and education, there is a limited. Okay, AI expand access the data via telemetry and AI tutors or virtual agents. You know, right? Virtual agents like a humans, guys. Are you getting?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, to be frank, going forward, if you do not have any friends, right? So
Yes.
virtual agents will help you. They will be part of our human life, simply we can say. Got it. Nowadays, simply we will say our queries we are unable to share with anyone. Am I right? Why? Because they will spread negative what is things and all. Am I right? Now, going
Yeah.
forward, people will share about what is that virtual agents.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, right? In China, recently what happened? No? One doctor, in place of doctor, robo did the what is that? That small what we can call it small surgery, right?
Okay.
So the doctor said that you did wrong thing, you mistake like that. They said. So then that robo said, no, I know about your all personal details. I will spread in social media like that. He is giving the warning.
Oh.
Okay, in China it
Okay.
has happened. Yeah, so going forward, it will happen such kind of. So AI will be place of everywhere. Next, why should I go for AI? I said, right, what are the challenges are facing by industries as individuals? So why this is the where exactly we will go for AI, right? So why should I go for artificial intelligence? You should go for artificial intelligence because it helps solve real-time world challenges. Real-time world challenges faced by industries and individuals. Okay. Yeah. Next, here AI will improve speed, accuracy, productivity, and decision making while reducing manual effort and human error. So blunder mistakes, human errors, it is not going to be there. Clear? So where
Yeah.
exactly? Why should I go for AI? Yeah, we should go for AI because it helps. What is that? Resolve real world challenges faced by industries and individuals. Okay, AI will improve the speed, accuracy, productivity, and decision making. Okay, that's why you should go for AI. Next, how AI will help. Okay, see, solve the complex problem faster. Solve the complex problem fast.
Yeah.
Next, make smarter and decision using the data. You know, right? Nowadays, war is happening, right? That all about what? They are doing the war smartly, not hardly. Am I right? They are targeting about locations and releasing the missiles on them. Am I right? Next, save the time and reducing manual work. Improve accuracy and reduce human error. Stay ahead with your job and business or industry. So what internally they are saying that AI is the mandated to implement in every sector, stay competitive for other competitors. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So why should I go for AI? As you said, AI will provide speed, accuracy, data, provide problem solving for individuals and industries, and it is made faster and all, right? That's what speed, 24/7 operations, cost saving. See, advanced topic of automation is AI. Do you agree, Rajan?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, advanced of automation is called AI. Okay. Yeah, better. What is the decision making? See, predictive analysis help make data-driven decision. For example, you know, right, nowadays, before starting any business by Reliance or some big companies, okay, they are choosing the location to establish one shop, right? So they will
Yeah.
analyze about how many families around they are staying, what is the probability of extending society and peoples in that location. Then they will purchase the land and establish the what is that Reliance trend, Reliance, mods and all they are establishing. Got it? Blindly they are not going and putting in. Why they are not establishing these Reliance mods and all in small villages? There is no business, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will analyze and provide the insight for industries where exactly they can make more profit, providing the more productivity. Okay, all these things, right? Next, competitive advantages. See, early AI adapters are gaining and big edge. Okay, I can say make better, better predictive analysis. Okay, what are the advantages of the AI? I said right, automation. Speed up rotation tasks. What is that? Speed up routine task and reduce human error. Customer support chatbot is handling nowadays. Thousands of queries simultaneously. Predictive analysis. Anticipates customer needs and business trend. Image and the speech recognition. See, useful for healthcare and security retail industry. Natural language process, it will understand and respond human language. See, I am talking in English. So AI also it will respond in English only. If I am speaking in Telugu, then response will happen what? Telugu only. Where exactly we will use NLP. NLP means natural language processing. The name itself it is saying. My natural language Telugu. Your natural language English. Someone natural language is what? Tamil. Whatever the
Yeah.
inputs they are providing, according to that response also it is coming. Are you getting where exactly we will use NLP? Okay, you
Yeah.
know, right? System will understand what is that? Not English, not Telugu, not Malayalam mandal. System will what is that? Understand what? Numerical format. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So according to that, NLP will process your request, process your data, response will be back to the client in same structure what they are expecting. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next, data analysis. What is that? So finds pattern, anomalies, inside that customer, any missed out. These are the advantages of the AI. So, okay, let me summarize it. What we have discussed so far. One is what is the on-prem? Why should I go for cloud? And what are the advantages of the cloud? And the next, why AI? Okay, what are the challenges faced by industries and individuals today? And where exactly AI help? Why should I go for help AI? And what are the advantages of the AI? Clear,
Yeah.
Rajan? Yeah, next. Now, if I'm not going for AI, what will happen? Simply, we can say we have to spend a lot of cost, higher workload and cost, and
Yeah.
inefficiency, right? We cannot provide these solutions accurately. You know, right? Microsoft now they are implementing uh, IVP, okay? Internal virtual assistants they are providing. See, if you raise the any Microsoft case now, it will analyze and providing the 10 steps. You should implement, that's it. It will fix the issue. So resources also drastically they can decrease it. See, you implemented 10 steps, even still issue is not resolved, the request will be sent to SME, subject matter expert. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, then he will resolve. So generating the 10 steps now engineers are required, right? It doesn't require going forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. That is the part of Copilot, right? Copilot, it is giving limited resolution. Going forward, they are developing virtual assistants. I can say AI agents are there, right? AI
Yeah.
agents, it will perform that action. Okay. See, when you're not implementing, see, slower problem resolving. Have you observed one few cases if you raise Microsoft, maybe it takes some time to provide the solution. For example, product, there is a product error is there. Okay. It is the product error to identify and tell you, it will take some time. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, generally 100% it will take long time. Like it will take 1 or 2 months, even 10, 100 days as well. Going forward, it will not happen. It will analyze and provide. Hey, it is the product error. You will get this resolution next fix. Okay,
Yeah.
more manual work. So these are going to be resolved by what is that? AI. So if I am not going for AI, these are the challenges. You have to put lot of cost on labor. You have to put lot of time to provide the efficiency solution to the customer center. Got it? Yeah, next.
Yeah.
So AI, it will automate repetitive tasks, get faster accuracy answers, enhance creativity, improve decision making, learn and explore new ideas. Right? So now everything, every data is available publicly, right? So based on this
Yeah.
data, it is generating new ideas. Okay, if you want, go to chatbot, just type, I want to start one food court business in villages. Give me the some suggestion, how much profit I may expect it. Then it will give you some suggestions. Then you need to process the followed prompts. Okay, this is the members are living. What is the profit you are getting? It will give the information. If you want, you can try it out. Clear?
Yeah.
Jan?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next, what is the AI? What is the AI? Simply, we can say AI is a software which simulates like a human. Is called AI. What is the AI? The full form of the AI is the artificial intelligence. It is simulates. Okay, it's a software. It simulates like a human. Is called AI. Okay. Now have a look. Simply definition is what? AI is, what is that? AI is when machines think and act like a human. Is called AI. Okay.
Yeah.
AI enables machines think, learn, act based on input is called AI. Another definition. What is
Yeah.
that? AI enables machines think,
Link and
learn,
that like
and act based on response is called, what is that? AI. It will act like a human is called AI. So this is the architecture. So if you see artificial intelligence is the tree, subtree is what? Machine learning. Inside of machine learning, deep learning and generative AI. Got it? So this is the architecture I can say. This is the AI, right? Under AI, one branch is what? ML. Under sub branch ML is deep learning. Okay. Under sub branch of deep learning is what? Generative AI. Okay. Another branch here is what? NLP. Natural language processing. Okay. Yeah. Under NLP again we have various types. LLM. Okay. Large language models. Okay. And small language model. Many things are there. This is the
yeah.
architecture. So
Yeah.
one branch is under artificial intelligence, we have machine learning. Under machine learning, deep learning. Under deep learning, what? Generative AI. So here you may have query that what is the generative AI. So the name itself, it is saying that generate new things. Based on your data, it is generating what? Text, information. Based on your data, it is generating images. Images to generate it, they are using Dole. Dole is the one model and developed by GPT. Okay, OpenAI. Next, if you pass codex, it is using codex model and generate it. So generate something from existing data. Deep learning, guys. You by analysis deep. Got it?
Yeah.
Generate AI means it will generate original text, it will generate images, it will generate the code, it will generate ideas based on data. Where exactly we will use Gen AI. It will generate new code, it will generate new ideas, it will generate what is new images and code that based on existing data is called generative AI. Getting?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Next. Now, see, this is the definition. AI is the ability of machines think, learn, and make decisions like a human is called AI. So there are two types of AI. One is strong AI, other one is what? Weak AI. Clear? One is strong AI, weak AI. Strong AI also we can call it as what? Strong AI also we can call it as general AI.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, general AI. Okay, now have a look. One is strong AI and general AI. See, that's what I am telling. Strong AI also we can call it as general AI. Okay. Weak AI also we can call it as narrow AI. Okay, there are two types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, strong AI, weak AI. Okay, what is the weak AI? I can say narrow AI, specified in performing single task. Where exactly we will use? For example, if you consider TV remote, okay, A Alaska open music channel, then automatically it will open. Am I right? So based
Mm-hmm.
on your direction, perform the activity, perform the action is called, what is that? Narrow AI, or we can call it as weak AI. Got it?
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. So for example, in chatbots, I need to apply credit cards. Then it will give the information. That's it. Single task is called weak AI. Got it? So when you go for general AI, strong AI, still it is in R&D lab. Okay, you can perform any intellectual task what human can do. You can talk to, like, what is that, them, it will perform what is that, robots, what you are performing, right? Now robots, whatever human is doing, it will also perform. Microsoft, they are going to launch one robo very soon, in another 3 to 4 years. But you should guide them in the sense, hey robo, go and bring glass of water, means if you learn first time, next time it will take automatic. Got it? That
Yeah.
all kind of robots we can expecting very coming soon, very soon. Okay, maybe how it will go, we are not sure. Next, strong AI, still it is under research. Still, it is already they are providing. Still, they are providing new things. Okay, AI system think, learn like a human. Got it? So this is the types of AI. Right? See, in AI, Azure AI especially, there is a one, what is that one feature called computer vision. See, Telangana government during COVID period, they implemented AI, guys. See, face mask violation enforcement is being rolled out by TS Police, leveraging computer vision. See, they are using computer vision, deep learning techniques being implemented in surveillance of CCTVs. Right? In Hyderabad city, we have n number of CCTVs. By using virtual movements, okay, virtual movements, particular guy is wearing the mask or not wearing the mask, they will
Okay.
identify and impose the, what is that, fines as well that time. If you are not wearing the mask, they are charging for 100 rupees that time, if you can hear. You are from AP only, right? I mean Telangana, AP.
No, no. I'm in Bangalore.
Bangalore, okay, yeah, okay, fine. So this is about what? Computer vision is the one service in AI. It will implemented, it will monitor visual effects. Okay, whether particular guy is wearing the mask or not, it has identified. See, first of kind of task in India shall be enabled shortly across India recommended. This is 2020, during COVID period, I took this screenshot.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, next. Now, what are the key components of AI? Right? Just now I said key components of AI is machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, robotics. These are the key components of AI. Okay, have you observed how AI it will work? AI will work based on data and algorithm. Please remember, if someone come and ask you what is the AI, how it will work, means simply we can say AI using the data and algorithms to process your request. Got it? Very simple. Algorithm means set of instructions implemented inside of the model. Got it? Got it, Rajan?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Next. AI works with data algorithm and computing power, that is mandatory. If you want to work on system, right, computing power is mandatory, right? Okay, to
Yes.
train models that can make prediction and decision. Okay, key components of AI. You people can say this is important. People will ask nowadays, what are the key components of AI? I can say deep machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and generative AI. Okay, next we can say chatbots. These are what key components of AI. Okay.
Yes.
Machine learning. See, what is the machine learning? I am giving single step definition. AI learns from the data and improve itself. Right? AI is learning from the data every second. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Next,
Yeah.
deep learning is what? It uses the neural network. Deep learning, it will uses the neural network. Neural network in a sense, for example, I have uploaded cat I snapshot of cat, and only I have captured the only eye part
Yes.
of cat. If I upload it now, see, based on I should detect whether it is bird, animal, human, or it is the tree, okay, some other animal. It should detect, right? See, based on I, can we detect? Can we even we can't say? Am I right? If I show you
Yeah. Yeah.
one eye symbol of animal anything, can we detect this is a human eye, animal, or bird eye? No, right? So to analyze that much deep, okay, deep learning uses the what? Neural network to process complex information. See, that is the complex information only, right? I have given you one eye symbol. Just ask you, I think about this is a human eye or animal eye or bird eye. So then it will think and provide the confidence score. Okay. So this may be cat eye, like that it will give you guys. That all will be done by, what is that? Deep learning. Got it?
Yeah.
That's what here it is giving. Uses natural language to process complex information like images and speech. Got it? So natural language processing means enable AI to understand and generate human language. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now if I go and say, I'll show you. Go to Copilot. Okay, there is a speech.
Hey, Donna Sekhar, it's Copilot, and I can hear you loud and clear. You can chat with me just like you would with a buddy. Feel free to ask questions, brainstorm out loud, or even switch it up with another language. If you ever
Okay, yeah, now see, I am giving what is Azure. Generally, my language is English, it will display the language in English, right? I don't speak
Yeah.
English. Now I would like to read it same content in Telugu. Okay, convert into Telugu. So this is exactly uses the what? Natural language. Have you observed it is displaying in Telugu language?
Yeah.
Okay, if I don't know Kannada, I know only Kannada, then convert same into Kannada. Then it will display in Kannada. We're exactly using what? Natural language processing. Clear, clear. It
Yes.
asks, are you using natural language model to process my query into various languages? It will give the information. See what it is giving? Are you using natural language model to process, what is that, my queries into various languages? Yes, absolutely, Dhanshik. I use natural language model to understand your message, no matter how we are faced. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So this is about what? Neural network. Okay. Uses the what? Deep learning. Okay. Robots, you know, right? AI powered machines that can perform physical tasks. Examples, you know, right? Driverless cars are there, implemented by Elon Musk, Tesla cars.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, right? In another 10 years, you can see driverless cars in India. If you book a cab to travel from your home to office, okay, then automatically car will landing into your home. It will take you into the office. Once you drop it, it will go away. Already
Okay.
in US, they are already launched driverless cars. Okay,
Yeah.
now it is in testing phase, right? So that is what it will happen. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See where exactly we can use AI. I can see healthcare domain, finance, retail, automotive, education, marketing, entertainment. Almost in all sectors, they are using AI. I need not tell about it now. Particular department. Okay, BFS means banking and finance sector, healthcare, retail, automotive, education, marketing, entertainment. All areas AI is using. Clear, Rajan?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the overview of AI. Okay, next, why should I go for AI? Azure AI, what are the new beautiful features implemented in Azure? Why not other environment? You know, right? If you go for AI, then AWS, they are providing AI environment. Am I right? And Google,
Yeah.
they are providing AI environment. Okay. Compared to these two, why
Yes.
especially I should choose Azure AI? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that all we will discuss it in next session. Clear? Do you have any questions for today demo? Just I given overview of AI. That's it.
Yeah. I mean, how much Python and all, because I'm just
Yeah. Okay.
basic.
To understand, learn about Python, understand about this AI, Python is mandatory. Mandatory, I can say at this moment, you know, right? After AI coming to the picture, people are expecting lot and lot. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
basic Python is required. I will complete the Python. Total basic Python I will complete. Then I will show you how to access what is that API calls. Okay,
Yeah.
into our
Yeah.
Python application. How can you consume it in Python application? I will show you.
Okay.
Okay.
So it will cover Python little bit basic also. That is fine. It will be like
Yeah, not little bit. Total basic Python I will cover. Advanced Python and full stack, that is different.
yeah.
Whatever required to write the application for using AI, that I will complete it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And what will be the kind of designation? Because I was searching in LinkedIn and all, so it is only showing AI engineer. It's or agentic something new.
yes, AI engineer ask means especially search it in Azure AI or cognitive services, you know, right? Cognitive services, search it in LinkedIn and all. There will be
Yeah.
many. Cognitive services, especially in Azure. So
Yeah.
whatever the services they are using, right? Open source and all, Microsoft
Yeah.
providing, there are many jobs. And even I am applying. Yeah.
You are in Microsoft already. Why you are looking outside?
Yeah, we don't know, right? Like what will happen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
I think